Hey bro, hey Lokesh. Hey Osama, hey Shankar. I'm good, how are you bro? Which job bro? I'm working at the same job from last 10 months. So which job you are congratulating me for? So Osama, you don't really need my help. Like if you are already working, if you are already into corporate, then this is the video for you. This video, 10 job offers one. If you're in college, then this is the video for you. Both of these videos are important. Small doubt regarding system design. In new to system design, if I join membership stream, what will... Bro, I'm not going to teach. I might teach also. It's like up to you guys. As of now, I haven't decided what will be the benefits and all. But I'll be uh, going through all the videos. Probably you guys can join weekend stream, and based on that, you guys can decide if you want the membership or not, right? It's totally up to you guys. But that would be like main thing is that it would have a chat functionality where you guys can chat with me offline also. So throughout the week. So this thing, right? Sign in to become a member. But yeah, you can find the details more here. So whatever was the minimum cost, I have kept that. Uh, that's okay, bro. Osama, Nihal Kumar Singh. Bro, what do you guys want me to teach? Like which thing I should teach? Should I teach DSA, LLD or HLD? Uh, Teaching, I think, bro, I don't consider myself a good teacher, first of all. Yeah, I find it very challenging to clear OL, let it believe. So, lead code contest, Mesharam. Lead code contest is what that helps in clearing the OS because, first of all, these are time bounded, just like lead code contest. So, that's what I would suggest you participate more in lead code contest. DSA, bro, plenty of people are already teaching. So, there's no point of teaching duplicate thing. I'll probably teach system design. DSA anyone can teach, but they can just revise and then blabber that out. One is solving the problem live. So we'll have 3 hours stream um, on the weekend. So timing is going to be 10:30 a.m. or 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So that is going to be the timing. Feel free to like the stream, guys, if you find it helpful. Uh, that helps timing. That helps in. I have resources, but I need mindset to crack. Yes, yes, that's the thing. We all have resources, bro. Mindset is what is missing. Bluff, bro. I would not recommend you bluffing, bro. You should just tell the truth in the interviews. There's no point on lying. Yeah, bro. I'll start with LLD only. So I already have created a thumbnail. Let me get a review on that thumbnail probably. Just a second. Cool. Okay. Yeah, LLD only. I'll be doing LLD because I think there are not good resources on LLD side. Like to extent what is required in interview, right? You don't really need to. How can I open this? Mhm. Bro, one-on-one chat and probably live sessions where I'm teaching something that would be more in a members thing. So go with system. Yes, I am working now. Should I give? Yes, yes, bro. You should give Leetcode contest all the times. Those are really helpful. I am starting core subjects. Which one? DSA. DSA is the first one. Then you can do operating system, computer networks, and all those. Thank you so much, Lokesh. I want to show you guys the thumbnail, but how can I show that? Yeah, probably I'll show it tomorrow. The thumbnail that I have. So plan is that on Saturday 10 or 11 a.m. to probably 2 p.m. or like 10:30 to 1:30, right? Those 3 hours there will be LLD. Probably will do LLD of Amazon, best of my knowledge, and then on Sunday I'll be doing a stream of LLD of Grow or any stock brokering, right? So it will not just be for you guys, it will be like for me also. I'll also revise, I'll also learn. So works both ways. So I'll be starting with DSA today again, just like yesterday. Uh, what was the... Yeah, for some reason I think stream coverage has decreased. But yeah, that's okay. No worries. So there is no next upcoming items. Like I generally do random things. That's why people don't know. So my plan will be like, again, these will be like open streams. I am not going to plan ahead for these streams. But if you see here, join, like if you want to join the channel, you can join the channel and then that there will be like one live stream dedicated to all the question answers to all the people. So in this, it's like more of me random coming in, helping, doing AMA, right? It's not a teaching. I'm not good at uh, Abhinav Chava. I'm not good at chess. I'm like very bad at chess. Like if you guys play chess and you know there is a like a move in 3 to 4 moves that you can beat someone. Like one of my friends, she had beaten me in that, like with 4 to 5 moves. Not sure what it is that called, but it's like queen attacks your king from left or right, something like that. It's like 2 to 3 moves only it takes. And I was, and I did that. And that too, there was a bet. So you can imagine how bad I am at. Yes, after DSA, which course subject should I start on priority as I'm in third year? You should start appearing for internships. By third year, I think you should have already done, bro. By third year, you should have completed core subjects. If your third year is starting, then also, like I think computer networks, these kind of things are taught first, right? Not maybe computer network, but like some programming language. Can you give the community link where you teach questions? What is the price to join? Bro, you can, it's like something that I'm starting new, bro. So this is the thing. You guys can take a look at this. The cow talk. These many apps are there. Nice. I was thinking at least someone will join. But yeah, let's see what happens. Yes, yes, bro. You are good, Vasudev and Krishnan. It's not like you can't control the placements, bro. Make sure that your DSA is solid. Try to become candidate master on Codeforces. Simple. As simple as that gets. You are in first year. If you give two, like even if you code hard for 1 year, you will achieve very good. At least you will become knight or guardian on Leetcode, and then you can target for expert on Codeforces. That is achievable in 1 year. So then by the end of second year, you will be really good. That would be my advice to you, Vasudeva. But that's a hard thing to do. See, now you know that thing. Now, if you do or if you don't do, that's like on you, right? So 90% of the people, even after knowing, they don't do because it is not easy thing to do. Just like you know in school that you have to study, but not everyone studies, right? In 11th and 12th, you know that you have to study to crack IIT or JEE or whatever, but not everyone studies, including me. They didn't study. I didn't study. It's as simple as that, bro. Bro, I myself don't know Bahali Hari Krishna. Like I can give you a random number, but there is no like there is no month as such. You should keep applying every time. It varies from time to time. It's not like that one time there will be more and next time there will be less. It's not like that. If someone is telling you, either they should own the company to tell that information. Jatin OP, yeah, little bit answer you're good with. How much time does it take to learn from scratch? At least 6 months, I would say, to become really good. Practice, bro, Manish Bhargav. Solve more recursion questions. Do dry run of couple of questions. Not every question, but yeah, couple of questions. So just a question to you guys, whoever has joined new. So when you join in new, do you guys look at this board? I heard like you see on the right side, or do you guys like straightforward ask the question? Just want to know that whether it is. Generally, I heard that Jan, Feb, March more. It depends, bro. There are hiring freeze in some of the companies in Feb, March. Generally, when the quarter starts, then there is more hiring. That's what I would say. Like in September, October, in that time frame, there will be more hiring because that's like a new start of the quarter. Ask what are you saying? You guys see this or not? Ask. Contest, Manish Bhargav. Contest. Contest is the only thing that is saving you. Consistency to that's the thing, right? Sanjog has put it in a temperate way. Consistency is the key and it is the hardest thing. Probably when you guys are in college now is there are plenty of resources. Everyone is trying to teach everything. Are you planning to say no, bro? Never, never. By no means, bro. I am not a teacher, and there is not much you can like. Teaching is a great profession, but you can't really do much with teaching, right? So it's good as a part-time fun. Not necessary, but if you have built some project, you will host it on GitHub. Like you will push the code on GitHub only, right? So it becomes kind of mandatory. Not maintain. Like I did not have any Git commits in last year, right? So if you go to my GitHub, so if you guys see, not probably, so you can see my GitHub is not. So even if you see my college here, right? So this was some of the code that I was pushing. But these are like code forces. So I have also tried code forces, but for some time. But you guys can see, right? I did not maintain my GitHub. That's okay. I saw the who am I part. That's why I asked you that question. You are well qualified to answer that. I have stated above. Vasuvadhan Krishnan. What is your question, bro? Yes, yes, that's good, bro. Then probably people are watching that, right? Yeah. So just do that, bro, Vasudhan. You are in the right place. Probably you can connect me on LinkedIn and I'll ask you the same question after 1 year. What is your lead code rating and your code forces rating? If you can put in effort, it will be good. But if you are just chilling watching Netflix, then it will not be good. So you have to spend at least 8 to 10 hours every day on DSA, right? Like make sure that you do that in your second year. Everything else is the second priority. Your CJP is second priority. Just maintain anything more than 8.5 or 8. That's good enough. I have a 9.5 CGPA, but it's useless to me. People with a good DSA knowledge and with 8.5 CGP are better than people with 9.5 CGP and with no DSA knowledge. Yes, but you have to build some projects also. Like when you say strong DSA, if you are like a competitive programmer of world class level, then yes. Because if you have cracked competitive programming, bro, then it's like everything else is easy. Planning, don't plan, bro. Vasuva, you are not planning your marriage, bro. There is nothing like planning. You guys are in college, just start doing it, bro. What are you going to do with the planning? It's not your marriage that you are planning to do DSA. Just start, just do today only, right? GSOC is something that you can see. In GSOC, you can use Chat GPT and all, right? You can learn how to contribute open source. But in DSA, you have to think. That's why DSA is the hard thing. You have to make your brain think. When you are doing coding or building projects, it's not as much of thinking. It's not like you guys are, or even me, I'm solving a problem that is like not solved, right? Yeah, I have Mamba mentality, bro. I have Mamba mentality poster on my, so let me show you what is my wallpaper. Kobe Bryant 4K wallpaper. This is my wallpaper. If anyone knows about Mamba mentality, that's the best thing to have. Don't choke out. He's one of the legend, right? So the one who invented Mamba mentality. I'm just happy to know that Jatin OP, you know what is Mamba mentality. When I was in college, I didn't even know what is Mamba mentality. So that's good one. Mohit question mark. I am front-end developer but not getting any opportunity as a fresher. What to do, bro? How many openings did you apply to? Did you apply to two? Yeah, couple of people you should follow, guys. Couple of like one is David Goggins. Watch his videos. I will probably add a motivational resource also. I think that's something that is important in life. Probably when you guys are in college, that's really important. What do you guys think? Plus one to that. Do you guys need motivational resources here? It's good to boost your uh, motivation. Like I didn't know about David Goggins 1 year back. Mamba mentality, bro, it didn't change my life. It's just a way to live life that you are always ready to put in more work. It's as simple as that, right? So what his Mamba mentality is, so you should watch Kobe Bryant's video, but I can give you a tip, right? Let's say you want to become, and this is all Kobe, right? This is not me. So let's say you are a college student, okay? And then you want to get 50 LPA, okay? That's the plan. Now we have two college students, right? So what basically Mamba mentality says is, so so what is an ideal time to wake up when you are in college, right? Yeah, 6 a.m. So 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. study, right? That's the first thing that you will do, right? Then 8 a.m. you guys got ready and whatnot. You went to college, right? 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. class, let's say. Cool. And then you had lunch and dinner. Then 12 to 3, let's say you have again class. And in this classes also you are learning, okay? Not sleeping. So let's say then after that 4 to 6, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. again study, right? Then 7 p.m. you had some family time and stay with your parents, love your parents. And then let's say you again start with 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 study, right? So then again 10:30 you guys had dinner and then final revision, probably 10:30 to 11:30 again study. So this is Mamba mentality in simple ways, right? So after college you have spent 2 hours there, so I'm giving you like 5 hours of sleep. That's good enough when you guys are hustling, right? You don't have to sleep 8 hours. So that's just my personal opinion, guys. So this is 2 hours here, 2 hours here, 2 hours here, and then 1 hour here, right? So that's like how many hours are these? Two, 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 6:36, and then 7, right? So 7 hours. Then 7 hour, let's say you were using your phone also, but let's say 6 effective hours, right? So 6 effective hours. If you do this much hard work every day, you will eventually succeed in your life, right? No one is going to stop you. That's Mamba mentality there for you. Now, this is one student, right? And there could be another student, that college student A. But yeah, you should watch Kobe's video, that's better. At 10 LP. Or not even like, don't even care. Don't even care, right? So, still, they will also probably sleep around this time only. So, you can remove all this. Probably, I assume that they are going to school. So, and then you, let's say, just assume that they just study this much. And then this is like another student for you, right? And then as they are waking up at, so then probably they will be doing 11 to 3 a.m. Instagram. So two mentalities. The first one is Mamba mentality. The second one is I have done both. By no means, right? I have done both. I have been this also. So, so that's what you should be, right? You should be mix of both. If you guys look at my Instagram, you will know, right? But I just want to give you, no one can remain like this. They can remain, there is no offense. But if you guys see this map, right, on the left hand side. So, so here if you see, right, so contest rating. So March 2021, that was my contest. And after that, I came back in 2023. So that's like 2 years. For that 2 years, I was this person, right? I relaxed, I was chilling, enjoying. Still also I'm enjoying, but enjoying in a different way. So instead of calling this, we can just say Jagrit in 2021 and in 2024. That's the difference right there, right? Simple. And I enjoy both of these lives, right? There is no harm in doing this also. It's just that something that you guys have to decide on your own. Cool. That's Mamba mentality for you. Okay, bro, I was not looking at the chat. Let me look at the chat. Oh, 30 plus this year, bro. Probably then something is wrong with your resume or what. I know him since 11th. I'm in second year now. Know who? Uh, Kobe Bryant or David Goggins? Kobe Bryant I also knew, but David Goggins I didn't know. Bro, Ujjwal Jain, watch this video, bro. This video is going to teach you everything. Where is that video? This video, Ujjwal Jain. This video is for people who are in college. It's as simple as that, right? This video is for people who are in college. This video is people for a people who have. Uh, it's like the YouTube algorithm, guys. I can't control it. If I had to control it, right, then probably this video has gotten more views. Not sure why, right? I would give more views to these two videos because these two have more knowledge than this, right? By no means this is not a bad video, but if I have to rate my videos, right, because I know what kind of content and value I have to share. So this is for college students, as simple as that. That's what I believe in. This is what you should do when you're in college. Just start. This is like it should take you 3 to 4 months to get started in this when you're beginner. And then now let's say when you guys are in, you have already passed out, right? So then this is something that you should do. So did I increase the font by any means in the end? No, it's okay. I have done that. So probably this is the another thing that you guys should do, right? Two different phases of life, and all the college students will eventually end up in this phase also. So please review code and debug DSA playlist. Bro, watch first video. If you find those helpful, then start. If you don't find that helpful, then don't do that, right? Like I might have a different way of reviewing or watching someone's content, right? So what I would suggest is when you want to judge or see whether someone's channel is providing you any value, right? Just go to their channel, watch 2 to 3 videos. If you like their way of teaching, then there, that's best for you, right? Ujjwal Jain, that are enough for DSA for you, bro. DSA is go start with free or paid. I don't know, bro. What is this question for? Can be both. Bro, first year I feel you should start with DSA. That's my personal opinion. Like, and if I have to these, this is something again that people say that when I was in college, like only thing that interested me was opposite gender. As simple as that, right? I did not want to study or what. So it's like as simple as that, right? I don't like that way of thinking that you do what interests you, right? I didn't want to study when I was in first year. I wanted to do other things, right? So I don't feel, I don't agree with this, like you should do what interests you, that I want to get a job eventually. So maybe once you have good job, good money, then you can do whatever interests you. Right? For this 2 years, I was doing what interested me because I had a healthy payment coming into my bank account every month. So like you will not find your interest even in 11th and 12th or even first year. I don't think so. There will be like I think out of 100, only 10 people will be there who really find that okay, they want to do this, right? Most of the people want to just chill. So how did you crack these via campus or off campus, bro? I have 4 years of experience, so no, a system design is not required for SD1. Just split it, bro. So you have like one, two, three, 4 study sessions, right? Just split your work, whatever you have to do, split it in this. And feel free to hit this like button, guys. I think there are how many comments are there in the chat? There are like 30 people in the chat and 20 likes. So I think you guys either don't know or you don't want to like one of these two. Let me know whichever it is. Pado, you are giving two different device, bro. See, Pado, here you said in first year you should explore what interests you. Here you are saying that I regret that I didn't study DSA. Then why are you not suggesting others to do DSA? You can do anything that you want to do for 20 hours, right? So you have 24 hours. You can do 20 hours, whatever you want to do. For 4 hours, do something that will get you money. And that is DSA, right? In software engineering when you are in college. Now in this 20 hours, you can do whatever want you want that interests you, right? Like you can do whatever. Like I would like when you're in college, I am guarantee that you will waste these 20 hours. So then keep 4 hours separate to do something that you have to do to make your make your family, and also you want to have a healthy, make your parents proud and all of those. So when you go into a college with a computer science degree, you are not going there to find what is your interest. Most of the people go into college with computer science degree to get a job, right? If you are not going to get a job, you are from a healthy family, you don't really need a job, that's a different story. But if you are going in to get a job, then you should not do what interests you, right? At least for these 4 hours. Can I make a one? And yes, you can go to this, bro. All the links are here only, bro. If you want to book a call with me, you guys can go to this and then book a call. All the links are here, bro. Book a call with me, mentorship, whatever. Bro, you are different. You should blow up on internet as I am also. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, yeah. No, Pado, I agree with you, bro. I didn't want to be any harm. It's just my voice is a little bit heavy. But yes, I agree. DSA is must. That's it. That's what I said, right? I just summarized your point. 4 hours you do DSA, but in this 20 hours you do whatever you want to do. You want to do dev, you want to do dev, you want to anything that you want to do, you can do in this 20 hours. These are your 20 hours. No one is going to ask you anything. Just do DSA or DSA is one thing that I know of, right? If you want to become a software engineer, then that's how I know, right? Now, let's say you are some business minded people, right? And you know that you can start a startup in your college, then you can do that. But eventually, if you are like a okayish guy, right? Like me, who is okay, who is not like a extraordinary person, but then you should. This is like your safety net, if I have to put it that way, right? We all have bank balance, right? And all those. So safety net. So this is like your safety net of 4 hours. What is the future of UI UX? How can I tell, bro? What is the feature of UIX or future of UIX? KGB villain, I understood, bro. I understood your question. Mohit, see my previous comments. Bro, you can just put your message again instead of just saying that to me. Can you review? Again, bro, you can book a call if you want to have a dedicated section. Cool. How much time we have been live? So I'll take up 5 more minutes of question and then we'll go to DSA. No voice is good feeling like talking to no voice is good. Okay, no. Acha, no comma voice is good feeling like talking to a saint. I will become a saint, bro. Pado, that's my aim. When I'll be like 50 years old, you'll find me in one of the saint also. That's I have lot of things on my mind. Is Leetcode enough? Yes, it is enough. Pado, which year you are in? You're in fourth year. Oh, your Pado name is like Pado study. Nice. Vatsal Mishra is. How much time required to pay? This much time, bro. This much time. What time, bro? You have so much time on. How much time you need? 1,000 hours is the time. So for you, answer 1,000 hours. Let me put it that way. Then why do you care, bro? 1,000 hours. Just kidding, bro. Sam, don't mind, okay? I have a good sense of humor. That's what I've been told. So movies for you, yes, bro. My math is not good. It's okay. My math is also not great. That's what calculator is for, right? How did you prep along with your job? Like this. You can see, right? When, like, I was always elegant, but this is when I became tech elegant, right? So you can change this with work. Others Shukla help me crack code Vita. What is Code Vita? Is it like the TCS exam? Is there DSA is must to switch? DSA is must, bro. Your round will be DSA. DSA is must. So I have written here that I got 10 offers in all of the in all of the offers. First round was DSA. In all of those. Bro, I have never given. Bro, Mohit, you can ping me on LinkedIn, bro. I always reply you on LinkedIn. Uh, Java, Java. Oh man, let's go. Virush, how did this stream end up on your recommendation, bro? You are like, are you like a very studious person, or or you are just pulling my leg? Not sure if you are like studious. I have 4 years of experience, bro. So I am probably, so he is in 10th, 11th, 12th, 2, and then you do BTech 4, 6. It's like 10 years younger to me. No, 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 bro. You don't have to be sorry, bro. No, no, bro. So, Virush, bro, just do me a favor. Just watch this video and then do everything that I've said in your video, right? You have plenty of time, bro. In 11th and 12th, you have like crazy amount of time. Even if you do 10% of what I have said in the video, right? People do that. See, guys, that's the thing. People do that. Why do you think people in China are like so crazy good in competitive programming and whatnot, right? So you guys see, that's the thing, right? That's missing in our Indian. That's also good. I'm not saying it's bad. It's good also. So you don't have to become like crazy, Virush P. Uh, but I think if someone had told me in 10th that okay, you do DSA and like a strong opinion, right? I am kind of a person who will never listen to your dummy opinions, right? Like when I was in college, I never used to hear to my seniors. Like I was of an attitude, why should I talk to them, right? They're just senior to me, right? But that's like the worst mentality to have, guys. Your seniors, your peers are the people who are going to help you the most. Okay? Always listen to them. Okay, bye, bro. I will go and come back after 1 year after getting. Okay, sure, bro. Bro, you can come every day. It's okay. Facecam when? Facecam I'll bring, bro, at 10K. So I'm at 4K now. Facecam I'll bring at 10K. It's like the long goal, right? Yeah, yeah, like Elon Musk, not Elon Musk, bro. Like you have missed the top. You have missed the most studious one, Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg was the one that who was like most. Aditya, bro, there would be like a very good video on YouTube who are going to teach more better than me, right? So, guys, just feel free to like this stream if you find it helpful. I think I'm talking only today, but I'll start DSA now in a minute or so. Yeah, Striver, watch Striver's video. Bro, watch Aditya Verma's video, right? Why you guys want to learn from me only, right? And those guys are really good in DSA. So just watch their video. Vatsal Mishra, sure, bro. Bro, you should improve your rating first of all. You are only able to solve first problem, so solve, try to solve the second problem, right? This is not good. And also you are not participating also. What were you doing from March 29 to July 19, right? These 3 months you are just, why did you not participate in contest? And then from here, why did you not participate in this time frame? You are in college, so that should be like your top priority, right? To become good in DSA. You have solved good amount of problems, but why is your rating very less? If you have solved these many problems, you should at least solve first two in contest, right? You have only solved that once. So solve more problems on a contest. So just like go to this contest and then go to weekly contest and then solve first two problems. I think this second problem is not even hard, bro. This is like a easy problem. So that's also a very wrong thing to say. Like it's a easy problem. It might be easy for you. It might be easy for me because I've done some problems, but it might not be easy for beginner, right? So don't mind me saying that it is a easy problem, but you guys should be able to solve these two if you really want to crack some interview, right? So do that, bro. Karthik, I'm lots of love from Bengaluru. Thank you, sir. I was in Bangalore only. Bangalore is a beautiful traffic filled place to live. Yes, yes, bro. From today only, Pado. Today only. Guys, feel free to hit this like button if you find it helpful, okay? DSA Abhishek Reddy. See, guys, so you also need to learn the ladders also, right? Something that I also did not know. But there are different levels. Like I just want to give you another fact here. So levels in engineering. Okay. So you start with software engineer, right? And then you become software engineer 2. Then you become senior software engineer. Then you become or you can become like after senior, yeah, senior only, senior staff software engineer, okay? Then you become principal. So in each of these, there could be a senior, but you understand these are the levels, right? So this would be 10 plus year of experience. This would be close to 8. This would be anywhere, uh, 2 would be anywhere something from, oh my God, 2 to 5. So I'll tell you what I'm trying to say, okay? So see, these are the levels, okay? Now I have friends who are staff engineers. They also got DSA as a first round. Okay. In companies like Google, companies like Uber, right? Good paying companies. First round was DSA in this year. I'm talking about 2025. I'm not talking about 2020. 2025. Now, Abhishek Reddy, unless you become a principal or you become after that principal, then there is distinguish. Okay. So this is the ladder, guys, that anyway you guys want to like jump or go through this ladder if you guys want to come into this field, okay? Now I am at this stage. I am at this stage from a long time. I became SD2, and these companies, it varies from companies to company, okay? Some might be senior in 4 years, some might be senior in 5 years, some might be SD2 in 6 years, some might become SD2 in 1 year, right? So my point is that DSA is constant today in all of these. Pado. Bro, actually I do DSA. So yesterday, if you watched yesterday's stream, actually now there are more questions, but I am going to do DSA. But I'm not going to teach DSA by no means, right? I will just do DSA. Mostly I'll be silent. So it's like you guys code, I also code. So let's do that only, bro. I think I have spent so much time. So yesterday, if I go to my this thing, I'll take questions. What time it is, right? I'll take questions at 12. Next set at 12. next set at 12. So I think yesterday we were doing 150, right? And then one problem was which we were not able to solve, right? So that problem will solve on weekends. So I have noted that problem down. So 150 was the number. So we solved these two, which are like really easy. And this is where I failed. So I'll save that and then I'll move to not bi-weekly, but weekly. Let's just see. Again, this is not going to be teaching, guys. So I'll just be brabbling some things. It might be random or it might make sense. There is no guarantee that I'll be able to solve this also or not. Because I myself have stopped DSA from quite some time because it's not, I don't really need it now. I'll need it again once I'm looking. So this is my graph, right? So this is the graph when I was preparing last August and I joined new company in January, like at this time frame. I think this is January. Yeah, this is January. So this is when I was preparing. So this is your graph should look like light green, right? Because it is dark mode. So 20 submissions, these many submissions. And this is my graph that now look like, right? I don't even like do DSA. So it's just me having fun again. Okay. So I'll not be looking at the chat. I'll be looking at the chat when I come here. So I'll answer questions when it is 12. Next set of questions. Most probably I'll be speaking and I'll be on mute. I'll be doing mix of both. Feel free to like the stream if you guys find it helpful. Because I don't promote my channel anywhere. You can open LinkedIn, you'll see there is no post from me. If it's just you, whoever is commenting, we just had a 10-year, sorry, not a 10-year, 10th class student on the stream, right? It's really good that YouTube is kind of sending this reel to them. But yeah, enough of me speaking. Let's do some coding. Transaction is possible. Okay, so you have Alice 20. Very annoying question. Annoying kind of a simple. Is it simple? It's in minute, but again, that is given in a string. So you have first Alice in both of the transaction name is same. So Alice is doing the transaction and transaction is done at time frame 20 and 50 and one is of 800, one is of 100, right? Are both the transactions invalid if they occur within 60 minutes? The first transaction because the second transaction occurs at the same name. Similarly, okay, so both of them are basically invalid then, right? So yeah, you just create a hash map with the name and then you either check and then you sort it based on the time frame, right? So that would be one way of doing it. So let's do it that way. Hash map string list. I don't really want to store that as string, right? It doesn't make sense. What is the maximum? 1000 only. So let's keep it integer only. So my standards pending desk is cheering a lot. But wait a minute, if it is occurs and including, if it occurs within and including 60 minutes of another, why here this is not valid? Is it like we don't have to consider transactions? Ah, okay. So in this, okay, so there is a caveat here. So what I'm going to do is list string answer is equal to new array list, right? So now the if this array of like int price is equal to integer dot parseInt, that's array of 0, 1, 2, 2. So if price is greater than 1000, right? Then you can just add into this. This will do later. This we don't really need to do. You add your transaction into this, and then otherwise, if it is less, then you put it in this, right? Cool. Yeah, it's a very, very annoying problem because I also have to maintain the ID of it. It's like a really annoying problem. Like annoying but easy. Like only price is not gonna help. So I need a reference to string also, right? That also I need to take care of. Really annoying problem. So what would be the easiest way to do this? The easiest way would be that if I put that in a hash map and are the transactions sorted? No, these are not sorted, right? What if the transaction happen in a same city? Same city are the two important thing. Then you have a transaction. So you have LS in 2018 and I can just do a brute force, isn't it? Yeah, this is something that I'm trying to do in O of N. But what if I just do a just compare this with all of these? Will that not work? So this, I'll start a for loop from here. I'll compare it with this. Yeah, let's do that only. I got little carried away. Let's see if that works. We have three. A of 2, B of 2, math dot abstract A minus B is less than equal to 60, right? Then HS dot add transactions of I, HS dot add transactions of J, and here also I and here also J will be there. So that is one case. Or if this anyway I can do on the top only. So T1 minus T2. T1 is greater than 0, greater than 1000, or T. Uh, should work, but let's see. Again, guys, if anyone is listening, I'm not sure because I'm not looking at the chat. But yeah, I'm not looking at the chat. I look at 12:03. I think this equals is failing, is it? Let's check. System dot out dot println arrays dot to string a. System dot out dot println arrays dot to string b. That is good. So we are checking a of 0 is b, that is true, and a of 3 is not equal to b of 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, that is also true. And then this is wrong, right? This is not correct. This has to be 1. It's the time, not the price. So in this answer is both of these. In this answer is empty, which is again wrong. Why this is wrong? Because here T1 is greater than 1000. Here I should check for T1, right? Or J, it will never be. I should check for T2 and then put J. Or I could check for 1 also. That's not, that's okay. But again, that is the time. So here I have to compare time. What if there is only one element? Then it will never go into this loop. So let's bring this outside. Copy this, put it here. Then just add the check, this check outside, right? Because you never know. And once you put this outside, you have to change that also. Integer dot parse int a of 2 and a of I. So this should be it, I think. Not sure, But let's hit it. Oh, I'm in a bending. Wrong answer. See, these have the same company, but how come these are two different values? These are not. Oh, so you need duplicates also. Oh, these two are exactly same, but you need to return duplicate separately. Crazy. I think we can update this code. And now it's messy. I did not think of this. Yeah, there is easy way of doing this that you can just see whatever is the count because all of those will be valid, right? So that is one way of doing it. Like, but how can I just put it here only? So you have a of I. This is probably the easiest way. Yeah, just plain brute force, guys. Not sure if anyone is listening, but yeah, it's just a plain brute force, nothing fancy. By practice, bro. Pradeep Python. You have Python in your name. Is that a snake Python or what Python is it? Let the function fs be frequency of lexicographically smallest character in a non-empty string. For example, if DCCFS is because lexicography smallest is C and its frequency is 2, you are given an array of strings and another array of query strings. For each query I, count the number of words. Bro, recently I... Damn it, bro. Damn it. Don't worry, bro. It will happen. Also, Google has a loop, bro. So, like you went till last round. Like if you cleared elimination round, everyone goes till last round, right? Like I don't want to demotivate you, but it's a loop. So even I got rejected in Uber, but I like where is Uber? So even I got rejected in Uber, but I gave like 5 rounds. So I gave 5 rounds, right? So it's a loop. I think Pratik or someone was there in the channel, probably Kunal. So no, bro, don't go into depression and all. Don't go into depression and all, guys. That's not required. Health is wealth. But okay, bro. So what are you planning to do then? Are you planning to shift to farming or anything else? You have thought of it. Where is the where I was? Here I was here, right? Feels like a binary search. Yeah, it's a binary search only. No, it is not a binary search. Okay, so for each query I have to give the answer. Yeah, it's a binary search. Let's go. It's a binary search. So what basically the question is, right? So you have CBD and then you have a Z, a Z. This can be written as, let's take second example. So you have BB and then CC. This can be written as 3 comma 2. And then you have, this is a really nice problem. I have seen this problem for the first time, but it's like a really nice thing. So then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you have to find in elements that are just that are greater than this, right? So there is one element greater than this. There are two elements. So in this is 1 and then this is 3. Number of elements that are greater than this, that is 1. You can basically sort this. If it's by the here it is sorted, but there is no guarantee that it is sorted. So you can sort this. So once you sort it, then you can apply binary search on it. That's my assumption again. Like that would be the optimal solution, I feel. Again, so how much time is left? So there are 3 minutes, guys. I want to solve this question, so I'll extend this by 15 minutes. I'm really sorry. Please don't kill me. So, okay, now the next thing I was going to say is that please feel free to like the stream. But now if I say that, it will be really cruel thing to say. But yeah, feel free to like the stream. This is the like button that I'm talking about. Uh, I'll answer the questions once we solve this problem, right? Oh, my keyboard is really hanging a lot. We don't really need this to be 2D array. It is just 1D array is fine. For this I uh, count of I will be your whatever is frequency of j, and then you'll break it. So then you'll do that for the next thing. Now I have to do this for the word count. Let's call it WC and int m. So then I have to do the same thing. Probably it would have been better if I would have created a function for that, but yeah, I'm short on time. So just going with the flow. And I'm not sure if this would be the right approach, but I have an intuition that this is going to work. It's just a duplicate. So if you guys are in interview, right, never do this because this is like a duplicate. This code is exact duplicate, right? This whole thing. You could just build out a function that would do that. I can also show you how to do that after this. So, but don't do this in an interview. You are going to lose point, especially if you are interviewing in a company like Google. They are going to cut your point here. We'll just assume that this is the element that is the least one, right? Now, if array of mid is less than target, so that means that this target is a good answer. Let's save this, and then you want to find more, right? So you basically decrease your, in this case, we have not even found answer, you increase your low. Basically, we want an element that is just greater than target, right? So not this way. So in this case, this is greater, so I want something on the left. In this case, this is smaller, so I want to move to the right side. So in the end, answer would be whatever was the n, and then the index. If there is no element, then that would be 0. Uh, Assuming that all the elements, there is no element that is greater than target, right? All the elements are, let's say, less. Yeah, that might make sense. So answer of I will be binary search of array of count of I. Return answer. That should be the answer, but let's see. There might be some syntax mistakes here and there. Okay, array doesn't know that array is WC. 1, 1, 2. Cool, let's go. Yeah, binary search, right? Simple, easy solution. Cool. So this is the benefit of contest, right? So you guys can see your rank also. So out of 5,000, your rank would be around 1200. But I was talking also, and then in the first I made silly mistakes. So yeah, how many people are still on the stream? Hey guys, what's up? Here, which language you are using? Wado, let's go. See, this is how the intuition you can build, right? So this problem, if you have solved binary search, you know binary search. This is a binary search question now, and also a string question, right? That's a really nice question. And in this live stream, you will see that yesterday I was not able to solve, day before that also. So ups and downs do come in your thing, right? If let's say if we look at the tag of this problem, right? So let me remove, this is again that technique that you can just get rid of this URL. Like once you have done good development, then you will know that this is like a backend API is pointing to the same thing. So in this, definitely one tag would be binary search. See here, binary search, right? Binary search sorting, these are complementary. And then hash table is this count thing. So it's a really nice problem. Probably might on the easier side. Not sure, but let's see what people have to say. This is a fairly, I think, but I think deserves to be tagged as museum. So it might be easy. I read 4 times. Okay. Yeah, if you aren't brute forcing, yeah, that's it. Yeah, coming up with, yes, definitely. So easy, yes. It is easy. It's an obvious binary search, true. This is a linked list problem. Cool. Who is new here? Hello, currently available. Rachel, what are you trying to sell, bro? Hello, currently available. No, no, it will not improve your actual rating. For that, you'll have to participate in actual. So, what did I do in this one? So, see, bro, I was maintaining a hash set, so that will have a unique value, right? But there was a very silly thing in this question that these two values are exactly same, right? So you need to have two entries for it. I was only having one entry. So then what I did is I just reversed the original list, and whenever it is there in my hash set, I added it to the answer. Earlier I was just returning the hash set, right? Vatsal, you need more practice, bro, then. You need more practice. See, in front of you guys, I have used this split functionality of Java, hash sets, hash map, and then this binary search functionality, right? All of these I have used in front of you only, right? Without any internet. So there should be one language where you guys should be confident without any internet with the data structures at least. I'm not talking about multi-threading and whatnot, because in today's one of the top mid session itself, I was telling that in my Flipkart's interview, right? So I did LLD for 3 to 4 hours, and that too without internet, right? All on my IntelliJ. So that will be expected from you. Cool. I'll take up some question, guys, and then I think it's already so much time. So taking up questions now. Later, I think 2 questions I have done. Both were easy, so it's okay. Will probably do the third one. Let's just read what is the third one. Let's just read. Let me just read and then I'll start answering the questions. Okay. Given the head, we repeatedly delete consequences that sum to zero until there are no sequences. I see. So basically you have one and then you have three sum, but here it became zero. So you get rid of everything that made it zero, right? So start with three and one. 1 to 1 would also be accepted. That makes sense. It's a hash map solution. So whenever you see you start with a zero and then you maintain a, oh, this is also a good problem. So you'll start with the sum zero, then you'll put one into it. Then you'll say that, okay, have you seen something that would make zero? So for to make this zero, you need -2, right? Which is not there. So you put three. So now here you'll see that have you seen this sum that then that will also become zero basically. The current sum is zero, right? If you're seeing the zero, then you point that back to that. So in this, how it will happen? So zero you have, then you put one, then you put three, then you put six. So here, after six, right, you do six minus three. Have you really seen three in that? No, you have not seen. Yeah, a little bit tricky, not that straightforward. Yeah, but yeah, hash map and prefix sum. That's what I am also thinking, Senate ready, but not really sure. So yeah, I'll try this one tomorrow. So probably two problems that I'm able to solve. need to solve the three that we will do on a weekend probably. That needs more time, right? You can't do all of this after a working day. So I think it's good enough. Two easy problems is good enough to just keep your DSA sharp. Yeah, Mohit, I'll reply to you first. Bro, can you put your message again, bro? Mohit, can you put your message again? Bro, don't just say reply to me. You can put your message again. And feel free to hit this like, guys, if you find the stream helpful. Unix Factory, I know, bro. I have 58 likes. But I was asking that I know that this is not refreshed. So let me just refresh it. I can see the chat on another screen also. Just an FYI. But if I have to see, there are like 100, more than 100 messages in chat. So not everyone has liked. So that's what I was asking. Aman, yes, bro, I come every day live at this. Probably we don't need, we need only this. Mohit, bro, can you put your question again, bro? Your chat is somewhere on the top. Instead of me finding, can you please, bro, see this? You can see which year I'm in. I'm SD2, bro. Raga, bro. Temporal, you are really good, bro. So if you are expert on code forces, so probably you are at a guardian level on Leetcode, which is above me also. Then you should start applying for internships, bro. Temporal, this is for you. Start applying for internships, bro. Don't wait for anyone, okay? You are starting considering in me. Yes, you are really good. Start applying for internships now. Don't wait for anyone. So guys, please feel free to ask your question again, right? Whatever question is there on this screen, and the last one is what I would be answering. So Prashil Gedams will be the question. So Mohit, I know you have asked like so many times. I'm really sorry, but you can put in your question again. That would be my advice. Mohit, bro, your message, see, I am sending you messages coming up in the chat, right? You can also see on the screen, right? I am sharing the same stream only. You can also see that, right? So whatever question is coming on the screen, I'll answer that, right? If your question is not coming on the screen, then that's a different thing. It's like YouTube's fault then, bro. So temporary, like I have been telling this. So temporary, I have been telling this, right? CP is a So DSA is a subset of CP. Sorry, DSA is a subset of CD. That's correct. So now if you have never done lead code, right, that's a good thing because you did code forces. Code forces is like a better version of lead code. People who are really good at code forces, right, they can crack interviews easily. But I would say like participates in lead code because sometimes you might get a problem straightforward from lead code only. So Leetcode is more on an interview side of things, and CP is more on the competitive programming, right? Like you play basketball. So it's like a basketball for your brain. So really good to know that you might be from a good college probably. So looks like you had a good exposure. I am sending my query, but it is not reaching you. Bro, Mohit, it is not reaching anyone, bro. Bro, I get depressed that even after being from tier 1 3, my CTG around 8, I am not enjoying the redundant work at my office. John Wick, bro, you should then switch, bro. Why don't you switch? Anything and Reddy, do you have a Discord? No, bro, I don't have a Discord, but I have a members chat. So, but that is like 50 rupees per month. So if you guys are okay paying that, feel free to join that. So there's a members chat where I can chat with the members of the channel. It is going to cost you like one tea and one samosa per month, or like two chips packet, whichever. That's the minimum was there, right? So, but this live stream will never stop. Check LinkedIn in Tushar Taylor. So I will check your LinkedIn, Tushar Mohit. Okay, let me do that now only. Tushar Taylor looking for front end job but not getting this is. Bro, you have shared me your whole resume for review. That is going to take some time, bro. So if I start doing resume review in this, then that will accordingly take 20 minutes. So, or like not doing resume review in this call. Prashil Gedam, hello, currently working in a startup as a man stack using also an offer. And Prashil, bro, it is like I would stay with software engineer role. Not sure what SAP HANA role is. SAP HANA. Like probably you can look for another offer which is like software engineer. Like I am myself a software engineer and I would suggest to stick with the same. That would be my take, Prashil. Divyam, how to start with trees, graph. Bro, graph playlist, there are a lot of good graph playlist on YouTube. Just watch one or two videos of different channels and feel like whichever you want, you can start with that, right? Bro, I am in JS. I have completed function arrays objects. Bro, you need to BCA Masoom. You need to start doing DSA, bro. That is more important. Start with DSA, BCA Masoom. So BCA Masoom, I hope you are listening. I've answered your question. Game Explorer, I have done more than 400 problems, but bro, then you have to solve unseen problems, bro. If you go to the channel bio, right, you will see that there are some rating solving links, right? So you need to solve problems via your rated. So I recently tried solving 18, but I found myself completely stuck. Sunil Tusko, everyone does that, bro. No one is born with DSA knowledge. No hill. But if you give up now, you are in fifth sem. If you give up now, then you will never learn. So don't give up and start doing. Nitin Rawat, from where do you start your journey for preparing? No, no, bro, you don't have to buy a paid course. Don't buy anything of 5,000, 6,000. Don't do that, okay? Just watch free YouTube videos, start solving NEET code 150, and then accordingly you give it time, bro. Give it 4 hours every day. So Python versus Java I personally like Java, but you can go with anything. Like interviewers don't care. Bro, suggest me channel to learn Java. Bro, I never learned Java from YouTube channel. You can just give it 1 week or so, you will accordingly learn. Let me know yes in chat, bro, if you guys can hear me. Can like couple of people put a yes. And also if I have answered, because otherwise I'll start from the beginning because a lot of question has come in. Uh, so you guys are listening, right? Okay, cool. Okay. So I was at developer RB. Bro, please add your LinkedIn. Bro, you guys can find all my links in the description of this stream only. So like I don't know why I get this message all the time, bro. So if you just click on this, you will see all of things here. You need to click here and then you will find my link, right? That's it. It's as simple as that. Like you can find my LinkedIn, Instagram, Leetcode, GitHub, Scally's, TopMate, and then some resources. Everything is here, bro. So yes. So feel free to give stream like, guys. If you are new, there are like 50 people watching, and I feel uh, 20 would have not liked it. That's what I know. I myself don't like things, but yeah. Bro, how do I start with trees, graph, DP, and targeting SD2? Devyam Goswami, bro, there is like, you just need to. So if you go to Neat Code 150, right, there is a tree graph DP section. So try to solve these. Let's say you are, after 1 hour, you are not able to solve, right? Then go ahead and watch the solution or watch it and then try it another couple of days after. So that should be the approach, right? Sometimes we don't even know the algorithm. So for example, let's take an example, right? So let's say you don't know how to do so topological sort, right? Let's say you don't know topological sort. So you can probably spend 4 hours if you don't know the concept of in degree, out degree, and then you don't know the queues and all, right? It's like you will not be able to solve it, bro. That's the truth. So don't like spend 1 hour, like 1 day, sorry. 1 hour is 1 hour you should spend. Don't spend like 5 minutes and then look at the solution. That's not good. Temporary, bro. Just start doing problems on CFLE, whatever you feel. I paid because of it. Yeah, so see, there are two kinds of people, right? So temporer is one who likes application with very bad UI. So that's the mentality of mostly backend engineers. Now I also have the same mentality. But when I was in college, I was more of a UI kind of a guy. So if the UI is beautiful, so HackerRank has a very good UI, right? LeetCode has a very good UI. But Codeforces is one of the best website out there. They don't really care on the UI because that's like as simple as you get, right? But your brain will be messed up if you really start focusing on Codeforces problem, right? So I am +1 to Emperor's point, right? So pick any, but don't like juggle between these two. Sir, I find new problems difficult. So, bro, like I do always DP with recursion, bro. Always try to first think of a recursive solution, the choices. And if you have not watched Aditya Verma playlist, he is one of the legend. What is your name? Bro, I have lost your comment. So yeah, watch Aditya Verma's playlist, bro, first, I would say. Bro, I think I have messed. Okay, yes. Where how you solve without seeing solution. Bro, you solve it once you have solved so many questions, Shivansh Tiwari. It will not come automatically, bro. Give it 3 to 4 months. So after getting rejecting by Google, I took some break to digest the rejection. Yes, that is okay, bro. We are not like machines. Sanith, Aki Reddy. It's okay to take breaks. I have answered Shivan's theory. Mohit also, can you review and give me suggestions? Mohit, yes, I will do your resume review, bro, offline. I'll reply you tonight. Once this stream ends, I'll reply to you. Note word, sir, how long? You don't have to call me sir, bro. So notes were so you can solve two questions. That is good thing. Now try to absolve the third and then do first two fast. So time also matters, right? So your aim should be to solve first one in 5 minutes, second one in 15 minutes, and then third you can take 20 minutes. So that's like you should be able to do first three in 30-35 minutes or 40-45 minutes, right? If you can do that, you will automatically your rating will increase. Sir, I find new DP problems difficult. I have already told you, bro, Aditya Verma. I see some of duplicate comments. That's okay because you comment more, then there is a possibility that I'll see more. But so I'm just skipping those, right? Bro, don't just copy project, right? If you are making a clone, then do uh, then make sure that you know everything of the project. Something practice. See, Vatsal Mishra, that is the worst thing to do, bro. Don't pick up random problems. Pick problems that are just above your level. See, I had a rating, so I'm like a person who can solve 18, 1900 problems. Now, if I take a 2500 rated problem, there is no point of me solving it, right? So we had like Emperor also here. So Emperor has a rating of like 1700 on Codeforces. If I give him a problem of 3000 rated on Codeforces or problem which is at a like a grandmaster level, then there is like 90% chance that he'll not be able to solve. So that will just demotivate one, right? That's why you always take incremental steps, bro. There is no point of solving such problem that is so much higher at your level. Thank you. BCA Masoom, I have already uploaded your video, bro. I have already uploaded a video on how I solved 3000 problems. Which topics? You start with arrays, bro. Start with arrays, two pointers and all. Temporal. You can do two questions on div. You already people try doing the same grind. If all goes well, you should route 18 so realistically speaking. Yes, my placement in division number. Yes, answer, but is the best way I've answered. Yes, bro. How to get more opportunities? Bro, you should apply to more openings. That's the only way. It's directly proportional to number of openings that you apply to. So raises hi, Prangya Bhera, hi. Yes, bro, Sahil Kumar, you can watch. But do solve also, bro. Don't just watch, bro. It should be like 70% solving, 20% watching, and then 10% you can revise. Mohit, I will do your resume review, bro. Yeah, see, temporary is I already told right, he would be from a tier one college. See, that's the only thing. See, in tier one college, Temperer, you can correct me if I'm wrong. Temperer, are you still there on the chat? So you can just ping yes because I'm going to say something that will need your yes. I'm not sure if he is there. I think he left. Yes, so it is there. So see, the difference with IITs and a normal college is the seniors, right? And the companies is always there, but the coding culture. So my friends, like I also have some friends who are currently in IIT or NITs or triple IITs. Like they always say that their seniors are very good. Like from first year only, they guide the juniors. Like if I'm in first year and there is a senior who is in second or third year, right? They will guide their juniors to do code forces. That's why Temperer has never even opened lead code, right? So, because if I am in a first year and I have a senior, I will also tell them to do code forces. But now the scenario is that people realize this in fourth year. Right now, when you are in fourth year, then it is too late to do code forces because you need to quickly ramp up on DSA and then start giving interviews. For that, lead code is best. Now, this is the culture difference between IITs and NITs and then a normal college, right? Or a tier three college. In that, like students don't know, and also it is coming from senior, right? So who are like just 1 year elder to you, right? Just think of it like you are in ninth and they are in 10th. So they are going to give you strong suggestion, right? If I say something here, now there would be like 10 people who will just assume that he's just giving bullshit, right? Even I myself, I am that kind of person, or I was that kind of person that if you give me advice, I'll probably not care because I will think that what you know, right? But you guys should not think like that. So that's the difference of IIT. That's why I think like we have 30 people on the chat. I think only Temporary is here is someone who has done code forces. Like other people have not even done lead code, including myself, right? See, that's the difference, bro. That is the culture. That is something. Uh, so that is something that you have to basically earn also, right? You have to really do well in 11th and 12th, and then crack a good IIT, right? It's all part of your hard work, right? So, but if you didn't study in 11th, 12th, you can study in your college. See, code forces is not something like your seniors will not come and teach you. They will just give you the exposure. Now that exposure you can get from YouTube, just like this stream, right? So if someone is in first year of college, there was someone, I think, Visruj or something was the name. I even told them the same thing to that you do code forces, I'll give you 1 year, come back after 1 year and become expert on code forces. That's the coding culture, guys. Just wanted to give that suggestion, and I think I saw a comment from Temporary exactly all difference is made by the coding culture. Yes, and then your seniors make that coding culture, right? Bro, I am not a competitive programmer. Then Rohit Music, what I will do by solving CSC problem, right? On the right side, right? I have 2000, I had max rating of 2000. Do you guys see me writing competitive programmer here? Because I don't call myself that. There is like, there would be people who are calling them after 1500 rating. Competitive programmer is a different league, guys. That's like a crazy league to be in. So you can be a beginner competitive programmer, but if you are a competitive programmer, that is like the whole different thing. Emperor, bro, how I am above you, bro. See, no, that's not the thing. Like first year, you start from first year. I'll tell you another thing. Okay, so in end of second year, you will get internship opportunities that you can do internship after the end of your third year, right? This is something that not many people know, right? I myself did not know. So I was from a really good college. I'm not saying it's like best college, but my college had really good opportunities. But the mistake I made was that never really approached my seniors. So I never really like took a step to talk to them, right? I never did that. So that was one of the mistake. So what I would suggest you is, right? So this is something that I have seen. It might change down the line. So don't just beat me if it changes. So if your BTech is of, okay, let me write it here, right? This probably can go on the side. So let me copy and paste. So BTech is really of 2 year, guys. It is not of 4 years. I don't believe that BTech is 4 years. So what is BTech? Let's say, right? So your BTech starts. Let's say someone is starting BTech in. So today is 25. So 2025 to 2029, right? That's their BTech. So now in first year, if let's say I'm joining in first year, right? What I would do? I would do CP in and out, right? CP in and out for 6 hours every day because college is really easy. And then second year, so now my CP would already be good. Like 1 year I have done that. So I'm not in a beginner stage, right? So now I would do web dev plus CP is still going on, right? CP I have never left. Now when third year starts, right? So this is like a fifth sem. So if I am from a good college, companies will come to my college, like a tier two private colleges like VIT Vellore. A lot of companies come, including Microsoft, Google. These all come for internship. And in IITs, definitely they come. They will give me an internship offer. Like if let's say I don't get on campus, then I'll crack an off campus because my DSA is good now. Now in the starting of fourth year, I will do that internship like before fourth year. So just before starting that, right? I'll do that internship. and then I will give my everything in that internship. I'll work for 12 hours and then try to get a PPO. So if you see here, basically I have worked for these 2 years. Then after that, I was just giving interviews, right? So that is like an ideal way of doing a BTech. So that's my way. That's what I think. But now I came to know when this happened. In this year, the companies came and they offered internship, and I came to know, oh, okay, so DSA is a thing, right? So then I did. So now the second approach is if you are in like me, right? If you came to know late, then you do DSA for your fifth sem and sixth sem, and then in fourth year, your actual placement will start, right? So when you're in fourth year, your placement will start, then you will eventually crack some on campus. This is what I did, right? Fourth sem DSA. So this is like a second plan that I did, right? See, now that's what I say, right? BTech is of 2 years, guys. Now it could be of 1 year also if you are really good. Now I'll give you another exposure, right? See, I have seen people crack off-campus Google internship, and that too in San Jose in US. That is also possible. And off-campus opportunities. You just have to apply, right? You don't block your mind, right? So do this, but now if you are at my place, then Leetcode is better option for you here. Here Leetcode is better option because you have to now focus on your projects also. Resume building is also there, and then you will also be in a that if you can get an internship also, lot of things will come, right? But when you're in first year, then you don't have any tension, bro. You just have finished your BTech, and then you are like, sorry, plus two, and then you have like come from a 3 months vacation because plus two ends in plus two ends in April, and then May, June, you are like chilling, relaxing, and then you join in August, right? So this is the plan, right? Cool. Okay. Now I don't see any question. Okay. Yeah, Mohit, I'll do that, bro. Definitely, I'll do. Yeah, yes, this is also true. In Amazon Zoe, definitely you will see code forces type questions. Like in DShaw Zoe, like in DShaw Amazon, bro. In DShaw OA, I have never been able to understand their question. DShaw OA, crazy level, right? And even Google OA, right? When you are in college, probably temporary, you need to prepare for this. You will soon be appearing in Google's OA. So that also will be crazy level. Like my friends, those who are expert, those who are like in IIT only, they were not able to even understand the problem. So it's like you can say 2020, like close to 2200 rated code forces problem, right? That kind of problem will come. See, because eventually they are going to pay you also that much, right? It's all worth the effort, bro. Try to understand that also. So now what I wanted to show you was some, so this website, clist.by, this is generally for lead code for simple guys like me. Did it not open? But clist.by, yeah. So this is like a really good website. I think I have not shared this one earlier, but this has the combination of all the platforms. So if I here go code forces, right? So you see on the left, these are rating. This is like a legendary problem, like I think div to what. And then these are the tags. So probably you should hide the tags and then try, right? And then you can sort based on the rating. Now this is what I was saying. Like this is a div one problem, right? So this is what I was saying, that always solve problems based on the rating. So there was one guy who said that I'm not able to solve problems because you will pick some problem that is like above your level, right? If I am like 99 rated, there is no point of me solving problem 1600. I'll start with 1200, then 13, then 14. Gradually take steps, right? I'll send this link in the chat. This is really good website. Cool guys. I think I've spoken a lot today. What time it is? Yeah, still some time is left. See, master at Codeforces is a different thing, Gopika. You don't know, I think, what master at Codeforces is. Master at Codeforces is like, so that's a different. You don't have to be master at Codeforces. No, no, no. Uh, to crack companies like, if you have to crack Google's OSE, Google is a little bit different. Google is sometimes it's little bit hard. So, like for example, Amazon and all of these companies, right? You need to be good in OA, right? And you need to do contests for that. Your speed should be good. Your speed to understand what the problem is, that is also going to good. Yes, this is again thing, right? HFT is something that you should really aim for, Emperor. I think HFT is good for you. Like other companies would be like less pay. So HFT is another. But if you guys are in first year, definitely do Codeforces. Definitely try Codeforces. So again, guys, I'm really sorry. Uh, I used to work at Amazon, Sanit Reddy. Good for you. There was a question that how should uh, experienced folks do, right? Now things changes for you guys. For experienced folks, is DSA is not just the important thing, right? You can crack the first round, but then you will be judged on LLD, HLD, and hiring manager, right? So here you can see in this video itself, I have mentioned like it could be machine coding, OOPS programming, multi-threading, design patterns, right? All of those things will come into picture. Like you could be international master on code forces, but companies like Uber, they will take your machine coding round, and you need to do good in this machine coding round. So now things have changed a lot for you. You are not in a college cushion anymore where you can just do DSA and then okay, bye bye, okay, give me money, give me money. You can't do that now. Bro, need code, Fnan. So need code is good. Need code, do to need code and then make sure you revise. This website has good. I have put all the resources here, the ones that I personally use. So if you click on any of these, so probably this is need code list, and then this is the rating, best way to solve unseen problems by rating. There is no point of me picking. See, lead code only has three rating: easy, medium, hard. So this 1000 is also easy. If you go like till a rating of 1300, that also would be easy, right? And medium has a very long range. So there is no point of doing that way. Revision, bro. Shrish Patel revision. I would suggest to drink neat code. Yes, sure. Bro, you have to revise, bro. I have suggested all my suggestions in this video. How to improve intuition, revise what you learned, right? So basically, there is a whole box for that. Revise what you learned. So you have to do that. Bro, stream schedule is same, bro, always. But not sure what I will guide you, Emperor. Like, you can join the stream for fun, but I think you are already on good track. So this is the stream schedule every day, guys. 10:30. It's going to be the same tomorrow also. What's asked in machine coding round? So in machine coding round, what is asked, I'll show you. Instead of just telling you, I'll show you. So in machine coding rounds, bro, this is asked. So if you go to this low level design, right? I'll click on this. So you will get a question something like that: design snake ladder, design parking lot. So, and also there is something that is not told in most of the YouTube videos, that if you get a snake ladder, right, you will have to write a running code. If you get a book my show, then the expectation is not to run the code, right? Now here, if you see, so this is how the LLD round would look like. Either you will have a class diagram or you will have an implementation, right? Not both. Both will never come because you won't have much time. So probably watch this playlist. Like a lot of people has commented to extend the playlist. But if you see, yes, today only I think I got a comment to extend the playlist. But I'll do that once I do. But this is really good one, guys. You should watch this. How much CP you did? I never did CP, bro. I told you, right? This was my. I did DSA in fifth and sixth time. Never did CSV. I will do CP probably once I'm old, bro. Because CP you can do anytime. I'll do CP once I'm 50, 60 years of age. Because now it's not the right time to do CP. First of all, in CP you need more time. You need at least 6 to 7 hours free every day. It's not like DSA you can solve 2 to 3 problems. In CP you need to go really deep and your math should be solid. I have Garvit Arora. I mostly know software engineer, bro. Like I don't know about other streams. Gaurav Sandelia, bro. I am kind of a guy that who can only tell you that DSA is must. Even if you see this, the first round is DSA only, bro. OA will also be there. Two coding question, medium to hard, lead code prep, right? Like I can come here and lie that you don't need DSA. Bro, Lord Pandit, how you switch? Bro, how? 2021 pass out people cannot switch. What do you mean? I didn't really understand your question. Sanik Reddy, how can we pick? See, Sanit Reddy, it's as simple as that. So can you control your rejection? No. Can you control your rejection? So offer no. What you can control is your emotions. So probably you should learn more on how to control your mind. So your mind is everything, right? If you can control your mind, guys, then you can probably win everything. That's as simple as that. All the people, even like all the gods say that control your mind, you can control everything. Now here you have not controlled your mind, Sanit Reddy. That's the problem basically. You need to control your mind. Stop thinking about rejection. Two problems, one problems a day. Does company really see a CGPA? Okay, bro, I have seen your question, Deepak Tundat. See, this is also good way. See, I have seen his question. I had to ignore all of the others. So you can probably put 4 to 5 times, but don't put like 1,000 times. Otherwise, I'll have to block your comment. So, Tundak, if your CJP is more than 8, I don't really care, bro. No one cares if your CJP is more than 8. See, I have a CGP of 9.5, but am I going to do something it with? No. People who have CGP of 8.5, they are also doing same thing. So anything above 8 is good enough, bro. You don't need anything, you don't need crazy 9.5. You don't need to be the topper of your college. No, that's not required. If you are spending 6 hours in CP from first year, you cannot be a topper on the same side, right? Okay, Sahil Nak. Sir, I have built two C plus. Bro, where are you? Like where are you in? Whether you are in college, what stage you are in? Aryan, then how did you clear OA? Bro, I did lead code. I did enough lead code. So I had 18 to 1900. Like I did not clear DSha's OA. I did not clear DSha's OA. I did not clear Google's OA when I was in college. Temporary, your CGP is 5.6. See, that is the difference, bro. Temporary. I was not like slacking in first and second year. I was really studying to maintain my CGPA. Like if someone had would told me about DSA, I would have done like I would have dropped my CGPA to 8.5 and then done CP more on that, right? So Sahil, like third year in computer science, bro, you need to do DSA, bro. DSA. Takshil Shetty, hey bro, I am good, bro. I got a standing desk due to that injury that I mentioned, Takshil. So now 7.2 is okay, John Wick. I have friends who have 7, but I would say more than 7.5, bro. 7 point, you are on the verge of dropping below 7. 8 is the sweet spot, guys. 8.5 is best. 8 is okay. 7.5 is also okay, right? If your DSA is solid, if your DSA is also not good, your CJP is also not good, then not sure what are you saying. when are your courses? I think this is like a fun comment, bro. Nice. Takhil Shetty. So Takhil is like a regular viewer. He's like pulling my leg because I think uh, I have told him that if I drop a course, you guys can unsubscribe me. I think now he's pulling my leg that way. Bro, I opened membership. That's what I'm going to do. Membership is there. Membership is going to cost you like two chips packet. Yeah, yes, Emperor is right. DSA with C++ is best if you want to do CP. Akshil Shetty, oh, okay, then it's okay. Garvit, okay, bro. I will answer. I have done 41 question. See, the Garvit 41 question is nothing, bro. 41 is question nothing. So try to solve on this platform, pick some unseen. Let's say you pick this unseen problem, right? Minimum common value. And then you can easily solve it. So that means that, okay, your level is around this, right? And then you pick problems like 50 rated above that, right? So this would be like really easy. So both are sorted and then return the minimum integer common to both. And this answer is 2. In this, the answer is again 2, right? How easy this problem is. So, so gradually increase, bro. Sir, I do DSA in Code War. Sir, I do DSA in Code War. What is Code War, bro? What is Coder War? I have no idea, bro. Afnan Khan, bro, I would say that if you are experienced, go with Java. Bro, I wanted to know DSA, is it really worth it? Should I go with MBA and MTech? Bro, that is up to you, bro. Like MBA and MTech, I have done nothing. And I have only done DSA, right? If I say DSA, MBA or MTech, I'm going to say DSA. Now you need to probably get opinion from someone who has done MBA and then also from someone who has done MTech, right? And then you have to combine. Yes, like please put your comments 2 to 3 times, bro. Don't like put it like 10 times. It's like lead code, sir. Yes, then go ahead with lead code, bro. You don't have to call me sir, right? You guys are making me feel old, bro. So we are very close to 84 likes. So like 10 days back, I had a target of 100 likes. Like, can we do 100, guys? Like, let me put a comment in a chat. I just have 10 more minutes, 10, 15 more minutes. Oh, see. It jumped to 90. So 50 people were just watching and they were not liking. Yeah, that's like crazy. Whenever I say like, I think likes come like 7 likes. Okay. That's nice, bro. Okay. 8 likes only left. That's cool, guys. So I watched Apna College DSA, but at the time of solving, I used to forget the See, Afnan Khan, we always do that, right? When we are in school, we revise a lot. So you have to revise problems, bro. It's not going to stick with you. Even I have solved so many times DSA, and I was telling this, right, that I have stopped DSA from last 3 months. That's why my steep speed has dropped. It's like the gym. You can compare it with gym, guys. So if you are not going to gym for last 6 months, you cannot lift the same dumbbells in the gym, right? Someone liked and unliked the stream. I think they are now messing with me, but that's good, bro. Yeah, DSA is like mathematics, and the practice is like you're going to gym. Bro, I am in Shrish Patel. Okay, reading your question. Bro, I am bro. Okay, bro. Okay, okay. Don't spam now. Shrish Patel is not hanging, bro. I mean, I've done DSA. Yes, bro. If graph and DP is must, bro. If you are appearing for Google, you are going to get graph. Bro, I cannot see 100. I can only see 99. The people are now disliking also. Crazy, bro. I cannot see 100, bro, on my screen. You guys can see 100. It's not 100, bro. People are liking and disliking. Crazy, bro. Oh, now it is 100. Let's go. I'll take a screenshot of this. This is like first 100 that I've got. Again dropped, bro. Again people have disliked. Crazy, bro. Don't dislike, guys. Don't dislike. Why you guys are hating on me, bro? I've been like replying to all the comments from last, how much time? It's been 2 hours. People liked and then they went away. Okay. See, we are currently, I'm in fifth and I've done DSA, all is completed. I'm comfortable. Yeah, bro, I do teach you, like only linked list is not enough, bro. So even if I go to uh, Neat code 150, right? So this has a good mix of all the problems. Okay. That's why I always like this. So you are at basically at linked list. I'm not even sure whether you have done binary search and whatnot, right? So you have to do these all, bro. I do check. They're like you are in fifth sum. That is good. You are starting a little bit. You are starting at the right time. It's not late. Fifth sem. I also started at fifth sem. So do all of these, bro. Do like graph, starting graph. These problems are easy, bro. Number of islands. Like you just need to understand DFS. Now, see, guys, I'll tell you one thing. So when I solved this number of islands problem, right? People who were teaching on YouTube were Nick White. So if you watch Nick White's video, right, number of islands, right? It is like the oldest video. You see number of videos, 6 years, and it's like 8 minutes. Like he only used to write the code. That's it. He never explained how to do this. Even you see Leetcode UI, how old it was. And this video was 2019 when I was in college. So nowadays, lot of good people are there, guys. Nowadays, lot of good people are there. Like people like Striver is really good, and Neetcode itself is really good. They really explain the problem. So watch their YouTube videos and then learn from them, right? If you watch this video, just give this a video go. You will see what level, how education level has changed. Garvit, bro, you will learn concepts on the go, bro. You don't have to like learn all the concepts from scratch. And there are concepts like union find that if you do couple of times, you will forget that also. So you have to do it again and again. Not sure why likes are decreasing, but yeah. You have given so much interviews. Can you tell whether the question is direct? It depends, bro, Aryan, bro. It depends. Like I have never got an interview that is directly from Leetcode, but I have gone interviews. Those are like derived from Leetcode. So, for example, multi-level BFS. If you guys have solved rotting oranges, right? Then I personally have got problems around that. It's again 100, bro. See, bro, why people dislike? It's again 100. I think we are going to end the stream with less than 100, but that's okay, guys. It's okay. Even if it is 100, if it is 95, that's fine, guys. That's not like I was just kidding earlier, so that's okay. 100 like is good enough, bro. If I show you from where I started, you guys yourself will feel like 100 likes is good enough because let me show you this. Like I have not been doing this live from today, right? It's been 5 months since I have been doing. So If I show you from this, you can see 11 views, 30 views, 8 views, and still it is a 45 minutes. It's not like that I was only doing it for the views, right? So nothing like that. So there would be like good long streams, see 45 minutes and all. So now the likes are more than views. So it's good enough, guys. Here 1 hour stream and then 14 views. It's probably me only watching couple of times. So we have came a long way. Just wanted to tell that. So appreciate the journey, right? It's not like that I'm like asking you for likes. It's because if you like it, then it reaches to more people. That helps in growing the channel. So so thanks to everyone for that, right? Basecamp, bro, Takshil, I'll bring at 10K, and then like I can bet you that if you guys talk to me on Facecam, the the level of stream is going to increase a lot because I have been told that I'm really fun guy to talk to. So see this emperor also I put that. How are you so chill, man? Love this place. Exactly, that's the thing, guys. If I come on video and then talk, right, it is going to be crazy. It's going to be more fun. And it's not just me saying, right? I have friends who say the same. So, thank you, guys. Thank you. You guys can probably start coding. I think it's like it's been a while. I'll answer a couple of more questions. So, and then you guys can, I think, probably code and all. And then we want to take a break. Yeah, Takshil. It's good, man. It's good. Sir, proper way to DSA. See, bro, there is no proper way. Investing hold. No, no, bro. That is not something I recommend. That is never. See, bro, Gaurav Shandila, you are new to the video, you new to the channel. You have not seen this video. So I can give a overview because I don't want to just point you to the channel. I can tell you that, okay, this is the way. Let me just open that, okay? Because you have asked the question and I respect your question. That's why I'm going to reply you. But I would really recommend that watch this video because this will give you more insights. Okay. So let me paste that in chat. So now see here, right? So how much time to spend? This is like the most asked question. And if you see, like I have written very beginner 60 minutes. Because see, bro, if you're solving a problem like topological sort, you can put in like 6 hours. You are not going to invent topological sort in that, right? If you are solving problem based on Dijkstra, you are not going to invent that Dijkstra, right? So these kind of things matter. So probably like I would say even 100 problems if you guys watch the solution, right? That's fine. That's okay, bro. So that is always, so that doesn't matter, bro. You watch, you see 100 problems, but after that solve lead code contest, solve unseen problems, and try to connect the dots. Even if you, I would even say that now this is a very controversial statement. Even out of this 150, let's say you guys had to see a problem for 50% of the problem, that is okay, bro. Now, if you go to lead code, there are 3,000 problems. There are more than 3,000 problems. You have plenty of problems to be solved by your own mind. But it's not like that out of this 3,000, you have like seen solutions of out of this 35, then 3,000, right? That's very wrong. That is not what I'm saying. You can see like 50, 60 problems, watch the solution, understand it, but then next time when you are solving, then spend 1 hour. Now it will be a stage where you have solved 2 to 300 problems. Now that's when you have to restrict yourself from watching the solution, right? I'll give you that, bro. First 100 problem, just watch the solution. There is no harm in that. Uh, does code editor do something in one's progress? Just wanted to know. I use Vim right now and used to use. Bro, Emperor, what I would say is that, bro, once you will do a job, right, in that everyone uses VS Code, right, in most of the companies. So VS Code is very developer friendly that way, right? Your seniors. your team tech lead, most of them, everyone will use VS Code. So it is always good to stick with something that is more used. Vim is also good. I have never personally used Vim, but one of my senior used to use Vim back in Cisco. They used to, and that also in all editor mode, right? It's like a personal choice. But I would say that stick with something that's more relevant, right? Just like VS Code, probably if your team is of 10 members, 9 will use VS Code, right? Or 8 will use VS Code. So stick with something that's most used, right? But try out other things, right? For your personal projects, you can use anything. But if you talk about whether it will actually impact you, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. Editor impacts anyone's progress. Data analysis DSA language. Bro, if you are data analyst, then you have to stick to Python because then you will be doing a lot of things with data science and all, right? That's where Python is more helpful. That's my opinion. I have no idea on data scientist and whatnot. Right. Bro, what is your name? TRX Emperor. Is that a game name or what is it? TriX Emperor. What does that actually mean? Goats or Flipper. Also one thing. Can you please make a video? Bro, I myself don't know KMP. What how can I explain that to you? It's something that I am always honest, but I am not here to bloat anything. I myself have watched Neetcode's video like 10 times to understand. So Neetcode KMP. And still today I will not understand this video. Now even before interviews I watch this so that it might come to me. Like it might get asked in an interview, right? So Call of Duty username I once made two international leaders. Oh, nice, bro. Nice, really good. TRX is your team name, and then you are emperor. You were emperor in that. That's really good, bro. This Call of Duty is also very famous in colleges. The Call of Duty is irrespective of which college you are in, it is famous. But competitive programming is only famous in good colleges, but not. What do they call? What is the short form of call? There is another game, right? CS:GO. CS:GO. Story of story of everyone's life. CS:GO is very famous. Like Call of Duty is, I think CS:GO. Not sure why CS:GO, but on laptops generally people play CS:GO. I used to play Call of Duty on my PlayStation. Yeah, yeah, Counter Strike, CS:GO, right? Yeah, you are noob in that. There is a Valorant is also like a different version of CS:GO, right? Like with good graphics. I am more of a FIFA guy, guys. I play FIFA and I play Okish. I am not that bad. Like I could probably how many? There are 25 people in the chat. I could beat 15. Just giving the benefit of doubt to rest of the 10. They might be crazy good. In FIFA, either you are okay or you are like crazy good. Satyam Rathod, Bea, you also try modeling. Yes, I tried modeling, bro. Not like proper modeling, but if you look at my Instagram, you will see that I tried modeling. Thanks for the motivation. I started giving one. Now I'm able to solve first two, pass some out. See, that's the aim, bro. Goats of football. Try to so if you are able to solve first two, then try to solve them fast. That's the nice thing. A good one, Emperor. Sir, to build some projects, we have to watch some projects. Yeah, yeah, bro. So this is another thing, Sahil Naik. Like I am really supportive of that you watch a YouTube video of some projects. Let's say, so there are good channels like Traversy Media. Not sure if you have heard of it. I'll add that also. Traversy Media, Net Ninja. These are really good guys. Net Ninja. I'll probably search both of them together. So this is Traversy Media and this is Net Ninja, right? So they all make really good videos. Now let's say even on my channel there is, I'll show you in last stream I showed this, right? So if you guys go to my GitHub and probably you go to projects, not sure projects is not being shown as of now. But let's say you go a little bit down, you will see this typing booster, right? This typing booster is something that I had developed, but I have learned it. So this would be like back in 2020 when I was in college, 5 years ago. This is not a fancy project by no means, but I learned it from YouTube. Then I added this functionality of levels. So if your level is high, the speed changes and then easy. By no means it's not a, you can say it's not a crazy project, but it's like this, it will change, right? Nutrition and game over, stuff like that will happen, right? Even you can see here, I have made with hard work by Jagrit and see how naive I was. And then guidance Brad Traversy, right? So that is the channel of Traversy Media. But you should know things, how this has been made, right? See, one another thing that people do in college is that one another thing that people do in college is that they try to think of what to build, right? That what lot of time is spent in that what. If you are trying to get a unique idea, I myself try that, then you are trying to build a startup. If you if you get an idea, if you get an idea that is not there existing in current world, then that's a startup right there, right? But that's not the expectation from college student, guys. No one is expecting that. You are a kind of stylish. See, that's in the name, bro. That's what the elegant stands for. Elegant engineer. So my channel is very old. If you guys know, I thought of my channel's name when I was in college. So I started doing it now, but the channel's name it's that elegant. What is the meaning of elegant? What is meaning of elegant? Yeah, having good or attractive style, right? It's usually used for girls, but yeah, that pardon me on that. But it could be used for both genders. That's something I researched before giving the name to the channel. Do you know? Bro, I don't know. Uh, I have joined Microsoft recently, bro, so I'm new to Microsoft. Like it's only been 10 months. Ordered a MacBook. Great, bro. Nice. Sir, I'm deciding to tier one in IT sector from here, Bangalore. Bro, what is I tier? Is it a city? Bro, how is my English? I don't think my English is also perfect. Where I just started my college journey. Can you please give me a roadmap? I can give you a roadmap, a car, and maybe a mobile phone also. Bro, this roadmap thing is also very overrated. So, bro, you don't really need a roadmap. I would say that this video would help you. But if you want a roadmap, right, you just search on YouTube first year roadmap. You will find something. But if in that roadmap there is no mention of DSA, then you can just skip, skip the video altogether. Feel free to hit the like, guys. If someone is joining in new, this is the like button that I'm talking about. What are your thoughts on machine coding round is crazy, bro. DSA is something that you can control. Machine coding round is like very hard. The machine coding round is because it can go in both ways, bro. They could ask you a class diagram also, or you could get a low level design also. Like I know that I have said this 10 times, but in Flipkart I was asked LLD for 3 hours. Even if you see interview experience, right, of Flipkart LLD round, that is of 3 round. Flipkart SD2 interview experience lead code. In this itself, you will see that in most of this. Let's see what this has to say. Oh, no, no, no. Let's see what this has to say. There would be a LLD round, like if see machine coding, right? 2.5 hours. This is a scary round, bro. This is like you have to there were 20, 50 people in Google Meet. I think that's when you have to demo. This is like a crazy thing, right? And then they have also pasted the question here. So you have to kind of build the whole application, bro. They have practiced these two questions, right? So practice is really important. Bro, that's what I say to you guys, right? Another one of the more tip that I'll go, you guys are in good stage. You guys only have to prepare like those who are in college as of now. You guys are lucky because you only have to prepare DSA and then CS fundamentals. But once you cross that part, once you become 2 years of experience, then you have to do LLD, HLD, and then also hiring manager. Hiring manager is not easy round to clear because you will be asked scenarios based on your experience. In college, it is easy because in college, mostly they judge whether you are a humble guy, you are not so much egoist, you are not like very rude, and you have good knowledge of your projects, those kind of things. So you guys are really in a good stage. Yes, see, 5 hours a day, right? So that's LLD is like again, just a suggestion, guys. Like it's up to you, Emperor, but I would suggest like Takshil, you should also like try to contact Emperor. Like maybe LinkedIn, you guys could connect with each other because like Takshil, you are just starting out and he has good experience. So he's 2 years into college. So probably you guys can learn from each other. That would be good. Uh, but don't just put your LinkedIn here, Emperor, because it might get spammed. But yeah, you guys should also connect with each other. Always stay connected to plus 5 years of experience and minus plus 5 years of experience. I will learn something from like, and Emperor, like, feel free to connect with me also on LinkedIn. Uh, it would be good to know. Bro, you don't have a LinkedIn, bro. Bro, make a LinkedIn, bro. Start applying for internships, right? HFT internship, start applying. One of my friend had a like he did a HFT internship. So the stipend was 4.5 lakhs per month. 4.5 lakhs per month. I don't even make that much now, bro. And neither does my seniors. 4.5 lakhs per month. But getting a FT, a full-time offer from, then you can connect with me on Instagram, bro. So 4.5 lakhs per month is what HFTs give you, right? Now this is just for internship. So 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs uh, for 2 months internships. Yeah, how to prepare for LAD? I'm mediocre. I have full-time offer but want to go. Bro, this is the role, bro. Satyam Rathore, this is what it is for DSA. Like I always say that if you guys are new to my channel, you guys don't even have to watch this video. For some reason, this video has more views, not sure why. Just watch these two videos. Like if you're in college, this video. If you are in pass out, then this video. That's it. Takshil Shetty, bro, I have opened the membership channel. You guys can. That would have chat functionality. Discord, I'm going to open late. I'll probably go with a Telegram because Discord is going to be tough to manage, bro. Uh, so if you guys want to have like a close chat, close, then there is this post that I posted yesterday, but nothing is going to impact on this thing. So there is this post of this membership thing that I've added. So this will have chat functionality and some extra live streams, and then some. So you can join via this, and then not sure how this chat is going to work, but yes, I'll be active on this chat. So Sir, will AI impact jobs, bro? I don't think so, bro. Like, even if it does impact, bro, neither I can control nor you can control, right? Yes, yes, bro. Sam, you are correct. Like, I was also saying this the other day. Yes, LLD has come into picture. I'm not sure for Uber, bro, but yes, I have heard for Uber also in triple IT. So I have some friends in triple IT. They got LLD. They were asked chess game. So chess game LLD was a popular question there. So you should be able to go to this. Again, the link is there in this bento. Go to this and then here, chess game. But yes, you are right. It has started coming LLD. Sir, which laptop to buy? Mac would work fine, bro. Mac is a good laptop, and then you can't play games also on that Mac. So that's like, okay, cool, guys. I will end this stream in like another 10 minutes. So probably there's no harm in hitting three. So I'll just end this stream in 10 minutes. So members only content, yes. Members only, it's not only fans, bro. This is, don't expect that kind of content. But anyway, I don't think anyone has joined. See you tomorrow. The last 10 minutes will be good. Yes, yes, bro. See you tomorrow. Where I just completed. So is it no? It's not. So anyone who is younger than 18 years, please don't listen to the chat. Okay. It's not a curse word anyway, Emperor. So it's not a curse word, bro. Can you check website of Code with RN for LLD? Bro, I stick to this. See, LLD, one thing that you should always be cautious as much as you go. See, now, so there is one more thing. Even LXU has created its own LSU. So if you go to this is by LXU. If I go to Byte by Byte, go start learning today. So their object-oriented interview, right? Even he has created his LLD now. If you see this parking lot, right? This would be in a different manner, but it is also a LLD problem. Now see, if you get distracted a lot, right, then it is going to become a problem. I have made that mistake. So I generally stick to this. Ashish, he is also a really good person, I feel. Uh, this repo has helped me a lot. So so I would suggest this. But I have read other books. I have read Groking's book also. So all of these. So don't just run around these things, right? And feel free to hit the like if you like the streams, and feel free to join the members only content if you like. Everyone is following byte by code for LLD. I've seen. Bro, for system design, they follow Takshir Shetty. They have not done X on your. They have just completed HTML, JavaScript a month before. Oh man, crazy. Crazy X on. Yeah, now do DSA also, bro. Do DSA also before starting. So you have 1 month now, right? X1, I'm listening, bro. Okay, I haven't read your question. I read it once. So now you do DSA, bro. Watch this video. You are also new to the channel, it looks like. So I'll not ask you to subscribe to the members only because you are young. That only has 18 plus content. So just watch this video, bro. Where is it? Just watch this video, this one, coding video, right? But you by no means you don't have to solve 3000. I was stupid, naive, and that's what I was just doing that thing. Yeah, so Takshil, it is for system design, bro. It's not for LLD. So for system design, this section that you see, right? That's what I have also attached. So if you click on my link, you click on this, you will jump to the same page, right? Now for system design, LXU is good. But now he has made this website where you can learn anything. So mobile, generative, and object-oriented. It is also good, like by no means, but you have to pay again. So like I know that I always say that don't pay, but for some things it is really good. Like one of that thing is Leetcode Premium. So once let's say you are earning, right? Now I am also earning, right? So I have Leetcode Premium even when I don't need it because it's like okay, like I have Netflix also, right? I have Hotstar also, Prime also, right? So that way it is okay, bro. It is okay to spend some money. But when you are in college, you are not even earning, right? And then you are putting money on courses. That's not recommended, bro. Like anything above than 5,000, stay away from it, bro. Stay away from it. Run, run. Yeah, we need proper roadmap for. No, bro. You don't need proper roadmap. I have unlocked lead code premium. See, bro, this is also nice. This is also nice, bro. I have unlocked Leetcode Premium. Bro, I think pause your emotions. Emperor, bro. I don't want to be blocked by YouTube. I'm just starting YouTube. Please share the extension. Yeah, Takshil, please share the extension. So is it like 7 minutes more, bro? Then I'll end the stream. Where I just joined a third year college according to you, which is good language for DSA, Java. See, bro, you are starting, right? So I would say Uh, so C++ is, I would say, because because you are in first year, so I would recommend that do competitive programming. And one thing with competitive programming is that more resources are there on C++. So on Java, there are only some channels like Second Thread. Even he is also a really good guy. He works at Facebook. So not sure if he posts anything nowadays. Second Thread Java. So he's the only guy that does code forces in like not only there are other people also, but if you see all other right, mostly they'll do C++. So I would say C++ is what I would recommend. So X on C++, my personal choice. Yes, that's correct. That's because most of the resources are there in C++. Like if the competitive programming community had used Java, then everyone would have been used Java. But Java is like a language heavy thing, right? That's like a you have to write lot publish stated void main system dot out dot println. In C out it's in C I think it's C in C out, but in C plus plus maybe print, not sure. But in Java, Python it's print, right? So that helps in speed, bro. Yes, this library is also good. Ashish, I am just beginner and I don't know IT sector is good for me or not. I just completed my BCom. Which IT sector should I enter in right now? I'm in Bangalore with zero knowledge. Bro, IT sector as in like, do you want to do a job or you want to do a MCA in computer application? Not sure, bro. Not like, yeah, like Java syntax is, yeah, C in C out, right? So that's easy. Yeah, Java syntax is crazy, bro. If you like, use Java because it is very similar to my name, guys. That's like one of the, I like that language from my childhood. I am from ICSE board, so I learned Java in my sixth class. So 6th to 10th we had Java. And also couple of synonyms are like similar, right? So Jagrit, Java, so that's same. So that's why I like Java more. And there are some reasons, other reasons also. You don't know how much it helped me in interviews and coding, a balanced language. Yeah, in ICSE they have C++, bro. Do you all, sorry, in ICSE they have computer subject, right? So did you also learn any language in that? I learned from 6th to 10th. So I had a book, IntelliJ and all that. Without, not IntelliJ, BlueJ. BlueJ, if you guys have heard of BlueJ, that's like a very BlueJ, Java development. So this was like a BlueJ founded in, not rounded in, founded in 1999, bro. Like crazy. Allow. Then IntelliJ founded in. IntelliJ came only 1 year after that. Okay. But there is like huge difference in IntelliJ and BlueJ. Blue is like crazy. Yeah, Java BlueJ. ATS. I used to write programs. Bro, Ashish Bhagat, probably you can ping me on LinkedIn, bro. I'm not able to understand your. Java is so when you start doing LLD and all that, right? Then there is advantage in Java also, bro. Like all the patterns are good in Java and all those. Yeah, ping me on LinkedIn, Ashish. I'll reply to you, bro. Two people I have to reply you, one Mohit and then this. Uh, cool guys, only 1 more minute. I'll end the stream in 1 more minute. I just wanted to. So again, I don't do it for 3 hour, guys, because I only do it for 1.5 hour, and that also like 40 minutes chat. Today we had a lot. We had spoken a lot. This has been one of the good streams, but not every day it is like that. Mostly I'll be coding and then just revising and then chatting on the go. So, but I would say that try to feel connected to everyone, stay connected in LinkedIn. Probably I'll be dropping LinkedIn, sorry, Telegram chat soon. So that also we can join and have fun. 10:30, bro, 10:30. 10:30 p.m., bro. Nothing spicy, bro. Excellent. Thanks, Bhaiya, to save my time. I have not done nothing, bro. Sanit ready. I will create a Telegram link. I'll probably create a post, guys. Then you can join. Feel free to hit the like, guys. If someone is new, I think everyone would have liked. But just the last bump, if anyone is new, I think it's 108 now. Uh, but yeah, first time 100. That's good. Crazy good. Thank you so much. It's 3 hours. Uh, thanks, everyone. Uh, good night. Bye, guys. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.